to the video, guys. This here is Super Mario and I'm using my Samsung S23 Ultra to shoot this video. But what is important, guys, here I have a curtain where we have some light piercing in and we pretty much have a challenging scenario. So I'm gonna use the S23 Ultra and also an iPhone 14 to just throw Mario up in the air and try to sneak some photos, guys, to be able finally to answer if there are any improvements in shooting, let's say, moving kids, pets and flying objects. Now I have chosen this scenario on purpose because this is a very challenging scenario and we all know that outside probably the S23 Ultra still will do a better job, but I want to challenge it and directly use the toughest scenario. I have also some other samples from even low light scenarios and of course they're awful, but okay, let's just do what I do with the iPhone 14, not the Pro, with the S23 Ultra and compare the results. Let's do this test with the iPhone 14, okay? One more time, guys. And again, I'm really trying to aim for the perfect photo, right? Because you know that this is also important. And then let's compare and review the samples. I'm now back with my S23 Ultra, guys. Let's just test here the two major scenarios. So the first one here is gonna be using the quick tap shutter. I am not gonna use priority on focus over speed, and also on capture speed I'm gonna be using prioritized speed. So it should give us the fastest scenario. I'm going to also select the auto tracking, guys. Let's see what is gonna happen. All right, one more photo. Okay, I'm gonna head back to the settings in camera assistant and I'm gonna remove that one. I'm gonna also put priority on focus over speed and go for prioritization of qualities. It should be really worse than the first two samples. So let's just try it out.